Hi, it's Jennifer. Happy February. So we're going to talk a little bit about hesitating. So the market hesitated starting in November, and it does that seasonally. And we're starting to come out of it, but we probably won't be out of it until the end of February, which for the record is seasonal. And so if you look at the chart that is going to appear here, you will see that we are going to compare the slow months from November to February on an annual basis between 2012 and 2022. And you will see the same months are slow. The volume is different, obviously, because people want to live here now much more so than they did in 2012. So what are the reasons for the hesitation? Well, in particular, it has been freaking cold. I don't know about you, but -30 is not on my list of things to do. So there's that. And then the holidays. The holidays slow everybody down. And if you're traveling, or if you traveled in December, everyone had an extra bad experience. So we're coming out of that. And I think that this newsletter, we're going to focus on, this is kind of February's the last month of that. And I think that the market's going to kickstart again and go strong starting in March, because people still have to move and interest rates are low. And we'll talk about that here in a minute. So here we go. So let me touch base a little bit on the market in Colorado Springs and the Pikes Peak area. It's still strong. The fundamentals of our market and area have not changed. People still want to live here. The quality of life is awesome, and people continue to move here, and the population is growing. That has not changed. The next thing is, this is a great place for employers to move their companies to that are focused on the quality of life. So there are still companies moving in, and the city continues to grow. Interest rates are another good thing to talk about in this newsletter. As of this time, interest rates are lower now than they've been in the last 4 months. So the Fed is expected to raise the rate another 1/4%. But let's look back at that. There were 7 rate hikes last year, of which 5 were raised 3/4 of a point. In December, they raised them just 1/2 point. Not that that's not a huge deal, but this month it's just going to be hopefully 1/4%. So I would tell you that we are all adapting and realizing that people still have to move. People are going to adjustable rates, or they're just starting to accept the word that they'll refinance when the market comes down. So what everybody asks me now is, should I buy or should I sell now? I would tell you it's a great time to buy, because you don't have the competition that we had a year ago or a year and a half ago. Most people will start coming in March 1st, and the market will pick up. Yes, there will be more homes on the market. But right now I'm seeing that sellers are making concessions. Some are still offering money so that people can use it for temporary buy downs on their interest rates. There won't be as many houses to choose from, but when you're competing with 15 or 20 people, you don't have very many choices. The next question is this a good time to sell my house? It's a great time to sell your house, because you don't have anybody to compete with. So if you put your house on the market and it's in good condition and the price is correct, it should sell, and it might even sell for a little over if you have priced it correctly. Just to follow up, there are a couple of great articles on our website this month. First is the benefits to selling your home in the winter, so you should check that out, and Valentine's Day. So there's been a lot of effort going into a blog about Valentine's Day. You can check out all the local places, places to make reservations, or flowers, or just lots of things. So check it out, and if you have any questions, feel free to call me. Thanks.